Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Zoho CRM with WhatsApp. So first, you're going to open Zoho CRM in your browser. Then, you're going to click on Access Zoho CRM over here at the top. And once you're here, you want to go here to the left side bar. Then you're going to click on Marketplace, which is this orange icon. Then over at this page, you'll be able to see all of the apps that you can integrate here in Zoho CRM. But we're going to click on the search bar over here at the top right corner. And we want to search for WhatsApp for Zoho. Then we're going to click on this first option over here. So we want to download this specific application. So we're going to click on Install over here at this side. Then we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on the checkbox over here so that we'll be able to install this application. Then after that, just click on Install. Then it will bring you to this other page where you're going to click on checkboxes again. Then we're going to click on Continue to install. Then we're going to select the users or the profiles that can access the specific extension. So you can install this extension for admins only, for all users, or you can also select specific profiles. So once you've selected one, you're just going to click on Confirm over here. Then you'll want to wait for it for a few moments. And after that, the extension will automatically be installed. So I hope this helps and thanks for watching.